identifying the number of faces, number of edges, and vertices of a solid figure. So example, this is a rectangular prism. So paano ba natin malalaman kung alin dito ang faces, edges, and vertices nitong ating rectangular prism? So unahin po natin yung faces. The flat surface or surfaces of this rectangular prism is considered the faces. So ito po yung tinatawag nating faces. Ito po. Ito. 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 Yung sa gilid at yung dito sa gilid. So, ilang faces meron po ang rectangular prism? Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim. And then, isunod po natin yung edges. So, ang edges po is the line segment where two faces meet. So, ito naman po ang mga edges. Itong linya dito na kung saan nagtagpo yung dalawang faces. So, ito ay line segment. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampu, 11, at 12. So, meron pong 12 edges ang ating rectangular prism. And the last one is the vertices. Vertices ang plural ng vertex. So, yung vertex is the corner that is formed where the ends of the line segments and two or more faces meet. So, ito naman po ang mga vertices natin or mga vertex. Kapag isa lang vertex and then kapag marami ay vertices. So, ito naman po yung mga kanto. Yung mga nasa sulok kanto. So, ilang vertices meron ang rectangular prism? So, ito isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo. So, yun po yung ating faces, edges, and vertices or vertex.